Hi, I'm Jo. I run Viva La Body along with my husband Miko. We make and sell beauty products. Everything our company makes is plastic free. All of our packaging is biodegradable and compostable, zero plastic. When I first started, I made soap in the backyard and would sell it at local markets, craft fairs, things like that. I just chuck some soap in brown paper bags, no plastic, all good. But Viva La Body got bigger. We started employing people, making more products. We were packaging our stuff in plastic bottles with pumps, glass jars, plastic lids. One day I realised everything we order to make and sell our products ends up in landfill, or worse, in the ocean. Every sale we made added to the world's plastic waste. Viva needed to change. We spent a couple of years redesigning our products, making them solids instead of liquids. We wanted to make products that didn't need a jar or a bottle to work effectively. We researched alternative ways of packaging. We experimented and failed a few times, but we did it. Everything we sell now is in biodegradable, compostable packaging. It can be done, and it's so worth it. It's not just plastic-free July at Viva, it's every single month and every single day of the year.